This is XRP, the coin of those who are impatient and those who seek immediate gratification. And quite honestly, guys, I was really shocked to find the amount of negative comments in that previous XRP analysis. Like, geez Louise, some of you guys even wrote me a bunch of essays. No one wants to follow the analysis. Everyone wants that immediate gratification on XRP. We all want millions and millions of dollars, but don't tell me to wait. Don't you dare tell me to employ a bit of patience. Don't you dare tell me to employ a bit of risk management. Guys, you won the big bucks, you're gonna have to work for it, and yes, patience is a part of the game. As I'd mentioned in the previous analysis, I'm gonna bring up the quote that I mentioned in the previous video, and it was this: it was never my thinking that made me the money, it was always my sitting tight. Now, I have served you guys XRP on a platter. We are still looking at the same levels. Yes, I will come out here and sound like a broken record to make sure that you guys are staying calm. 286 to 201 are those same regions of resistance overhead and support, with the midpoint swinging in at 240. Now, for what I'm about to say next, you guys might actually think I am absolutely insane. Now, if you guys had to ask me this question right here, Crusher, at the very least, are you now flipping bearish or are you still foolishly bullish? What's my answer? Well, before I give you my answer, I want to know what your answer is. So if you have to pause this video right now, get into the comment section and tell me which side you're swinging on right now. Are you bearish or do you think that this bull run continues? Now, as far as I am concerned, guys, I am still swinging bullish. Yeah. I know you guys are probably cussing me under your breath right now, and you're going to get into the comment section and you're going to give me more hate, but you know what? I don't care. Okay, I'm following my systems here. Now, I have gone ahead and back tested my systems. All of my positions are risk managed. For those of you in the seed program, you guys have the same risk management system as I do, to the freaking T. So go ahead and use it. It's the best thing you will do for every trade that you get into, making sure that every position you take on is risk managed, because when it comes to dumps like this, you can endure those dumps without breaking your rules. My system right now is telling me that, hey, 201 is still that critical region of support. Until prices break 201, I remain bullish on XRP. Now, I also remain bullish because of this chart right here. Bitcoin on the bi-weekly time frame. This is going to guide the entire bull market and bear market cycle. It's going to help us understand, are we still within our bull run parameters? Now, I'm looking at Bitcoin on the bi-weekly time frame. I want to see this hold that bi-weekly support, which also happens to find confluence with the monthly 10 simple moving average, both of which have been guiding the entirety of this bull run and all previous bull runs that came before. And notice, this is a prevailing signature on the chart. Every time prices do pull back and have these volatile pullbacks, it gets supported where? Bi-weekly dynamic support. And for as long as Bitcoin lives above this region, I'm saying bull market is still on. Now, for as long as the bull market is still on, I believe that, hey, XRP can still pick up a bid right here. So as far as 201 is concerned, I'm looking at this as more of a buy the dip opportunity than sell the scare opportunity. And speaking of scare, guys, crypto fear and greed currently sitting at extreme fear. As the famous Rothschild once said, the time to buy is when there's blood on the streets. Now, for those of you looking to actually take the trade at 201, but you're still on the hunt for a good exchange, then check out the link in the description below to BitUnix. You can get up to 5.5K in deposit bonuses, no KYC, no country restriction. So irrespective of where you are, you can trade on there. Now, why is it that 201 is a better buy opportunity right here? Well, that's because we're actually getting into the brand new month of March tomorrow, which means we are going to have a brand new monthly open. And 201 on the monthly time frame is one of the most critical levels on the chart right now. Why is that? Because 201 was actually resistance in the bull run of 2017 as well as in the bull run of 2021. Price failed to clear out 201. However, in this bull run, we actually flipped 201 as support for the first time ever. And if we're just evaluating this chart, it appears that, okay, prices broke out of 201 and we're coming back down for that official retest. If today we close over 201, we not only, of course, close the daily over 201, but we also close the monthly candle over 201. The next month of March opens up over 201. We suddenly have confirmation over 201 telling us that, hey, if tomorrow closes over 201, that's going to be an excellent picture for the bulls, because we would have had 3 confirmed monthly closes over a very, very, very critical region of resistance on XRP's chart. While 201 is going to be an excellent bid opportunity, I do not recommend leverage right here. I'm noticing a lot of you guys just misuse leverage. Okay, right now there's a lot of volatility on the chart, and trust me, this volatility, even though you might get the direction right, you might think that price is going up, and hey, prices do end up going up. Okay, but this short-term volatility that we're seeing can totally kick you out of position if you do not have your risk management pat down and you think leverage is just a toggle you can use for money you don't really have. As far as targets concerned, guys, I am still looking at the measured move of this massive, massive symmetrical triangle, the target to which goes up to $23. I believe we have an interim target of the bull flag at $10, which I am still looking at, and then $23 is going to be the macro target that I gun for, of course, until the system breaks. For as long as the system stays intact, the targets stay intact, the range stays intact as well. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.